What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Let's go in the building again. Y'all know what it is. Time for unboxing. But before we get into that, man, y'all know what it is. We gotta hit that intro. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna shoot this with the Meta glasses and see what it do. But you see the packaging, man. You got the Lindworm Exotics tape on that John. I'm excited to see what surprises these cats put in the box, because if you know Double L and Randall, you already know. Let's see what we got popping in here. Come on. Cut. Cut. Garbage. Oh, we got merch. We got merch, ladies and gentlemen. We got magnets. Let's go. And you can see the heat pack is working because it's sweating. We got magnets, baby. Oh, get a close up. Get a close up. We got magnets, baby. That's so fire right there. So fire. Y'all already know. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Look at that. That's fire. There go the QR codes. Y'all know the moves, man. Get over there. Show them boys some love, because they show me all the love, man. Straight up. None but love. Shout out to Double L. Shout out to Randall. See what we got going on in here. See the packaging. Omni pack in there. It's warm, not hot. Nice and warm, everything in here. Got some swag. Make it fancy in there, you know what I mean? No Rakim. I already know you talking, because I ain't send you nothing with your animal you got from me. Oh, let's see what this is. Let's show y'all. Oh, we got tape. Where's my scissors? Here we got a zip tie. Cut that joint. Let's open her up. Let's see what we got in here. Oh man. Look at the darkness. Look at the darkness. Let's get in here. See what this boy actually look like. Where you at? Oh yeah. Look at the darkness on him. What a beautiful boy. Oh, he going to work right away. Right away. Look at the darkness on that boy. Oh yeah, let's get him in his quarantine tub. Give him a couple days to get settled in, and then we putting him into work. Boy, he going into rotation. Let's see if we can get that head stamp. Look at that. Beautiful animal, bro. Pumped. Let's go. Let's get to that outro. Yo, shout out to Double L, man. You see what it is, man. Randall, Double L, Lindworm Exotics in the building. Appreciate y'all, man. I didn't even say what that was. That was a male single gene acid, believe it or not. It's just acid. So you already know we about to put all the darkness to him and try to get it popping as much as we can. So That being said, y'all know what it is, man. Keep rocking with your people. Keep that positivity wave rolling. We gonna see y'all on the next one. It'll be easy. Peace.